On YouTube. So the upload that you're about to watch or watching is pretty much me changing my toe adjustment links, sway bar links, and putting on some new tires. As you'll see, my tires that are on here right now are that were on here are in very bad shape. I went and bought some Michelin Pilot Sports A3s. Ended up being pretty much the best tire I've ever purchased. But you'll see in the video. I hope you enjoy it. So y'all, GSTI, we back in the shop with it. Doing some suspension work today. Got toe adjustment links, lateral link, whatever you want to call it. Also, oil change. So, trying to get her running right. She's running right. Trying to get her as close to 100% as I can. Changing these out because the boot on the one that's on there now is in terrible shape. They normally say the symptoms for these going bad is shaking, loose steering, and clunking. I haven't noticed it, but I just want to change it because those boots on there bad. Get in there. She break off. Let her look at it. That is done. It's the old one. I had to heat up that nut to get it off. It's so old and stuck on there. I ordered that part that comes with the nut, so you don't really have to worry about it. But new one on. See. Out of suspension parts. Yeah. You got somebody over here.
Don't touch it. Don't use any screws back on. Don't touch it.
That was his 300. That baby back. I don't know why I don't like dropping my car off when it's getting worked on. I like to, see it actually being done. Yeah, you see, I like to learn stuff, not just drop my car off and then come back later to get it.
This kind of that, man.
Hell, yeah.
No, it don't look even. This might be the problem that's causing the car to not like they say.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Not even between the head and
Yeah.
the bottom. The size is up. This is all even.
Plus, it got a big crack in it right here.
It started at down.
I might go buy some today. Let's get some.
This is the problem that you have.
Yeah, that's.
Say
Yeah.
move like this, right?
That's it. I see how it's flat right here and then it goes up.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, that's getting done. I might look for them today. This side, better look at it. Terrible condition. See that? Look at this. Even the paint off of it is rusting on, coming on. And it's just not even a slight move. It's moving there. That needs to be replaced. Need shocks. My goal is to get this car back to its original form. I wonder what is that exactly used for?
Which one?
That little metal piece?
This one?
Yeah, that plate.
For a watch.
Oh yeah, that could be it. For the screw.
Screw. Want to vent some dust go inside this. A lot of things.
Oh yeah, brake dust and all that. Yeah, man, you get to learn stuff. So when you watch your car getting worked on, you get to learn stuff. Versus just dropping it off. Am I your only customer that do this? Drop my car, will come and sit while my car getting worked on?
The only customer allow him to stay with me.
Hey, cause I ain't gonna lie, most people don't allow.
Huh?
Said most people don't allow you to sit here and watch your car get worked on for insurance reasons and stuff.
Yeah.
See, I know that, but that's really the reason why I always come back to you.
Allow you, right?
Yep.
Other people don't let you go stay inside, right?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nope.
They grab a chair and they say you have to sit. Another thing is you need to trust the mechanic. A mechanic can let something loose and don't complete the job right.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. You know when you're talking during work, something is not gonna be. You're gonna pay attention more on the person who's talking and pay attention. On
Yeah, then what you're doing on the car. And if some get left loose, I leave here and blame it on you.
And then you come back, you know,
Yeah.
you're gonna complain blaming on me.
Yeah.
But because you don't know, because you're thinking that talking, you know,
Mhm.
affecting the family. The customers, I don't talk to them, I don't pay attention. I listen to them, but I don't stop paying attention to what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Because if I pay attention, like if I stop doing this, I say, okay, I'm talking to you, you did not still not right.
Mhm.
I'm talking too much, taking my time.
And you might forget and think that you put it on there. Yep. Yep. Both sides on. Random. You gonna look better than those. Let's see that side. Bam. Fresh golden oil. One of the guys in the Jaguar group told me to get the gold Castro bottle, so we're gonna try that out. I normally go with K&M, but couldn't find it, so I went with Fram. That's the part number for this oil filter if you need it. Your ass tight. Back at it again. This right here is what we're changing. It's not. Right here, sway bar link. Right there, brand new. MavTech. Show you the old one. Show you why we're changing it. Right there. See this one right here. Got it loose, but that one is bent. That side is in better shape, but this one is bent. See the boot on it. It's a toe adjustment link that we just did. Oh, if this is the old one. This one is not, well, it's in bad condition because this moved just with no pressure at all with my finger. And it also moves up and down. And the boot is cracked. That's that side. Yeah, we got this one. It's a new one. One side on, one more down to go. See that one? Brand new. It's on there. Not that hard of a fix. Just unscrew those, pop new one there. Screw it back up. To the rustic side. Same time. So as you can see, man, I'm at NCB right here. Just got some tires, 4 tires. The other one is in the trunk. They are Michelin Pilot Sport AS3s. Real good tires. I was going for the Continental, but nobody had them in stock, and I want some tires today, so went with these. Even NCB. I'm about to go get them mounted. Could have got them mounted there, but I didn't want to wait 2 hours just to have freaking tires mounted, so I'm gonna go find some way to get these done. And we'll get back to you, buddy. See right there, that's tire type. Got all 4 Michelin Pilot Sport A3s. Found this shop to put them on. Red Line Auto Tire Center. I don't even know the name of this road, so it's sticky. Workout just got done. Now I'm about to get the wheel alignment done because the steering wheel is a bit turned to the right. So the alignment is done, new tires are on, wheel is straight, and driving this car, it feels so smooth. I mean, I've never felt this car riding this smooth, but then again, I never put brand new tires on this car, so it's a rainy day, so I can't really do any hard pulls, although I really do want to. You all know how I drive, but say that for a different day. Anyways, if you viewed this video, I want to thank you for watching. I didn't get to do what I wanted to do with my older tires. I wanted to spin them things up and shred them, but as you can see, it's a rainy day. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and you know, hit that like button for me. Thank you. And the cop sitting behind the truck. I was just about to do a fucking thing. Lot of grip. Oh my goodness, I ain't buying no more other tires other than Michelin Pilot Sport.